guys, we're doing the draw now for the 9-box break with everyone getting a rack back. 6:50 and 22 PM Melbourne time. And it is live. Obviously, people can get the packs open for them live, or I can send them out. Totally up to you. Random is live. Doing participants first. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Save. Teams. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I just realised, 9, 10, and 11, even you can see the clock on the bottom corner there. Stop, drop, shut them down, shut. Anyway, it's complete. That one anymore. Definitely not that. Okay. Save that. Glenn McCubbin, Clippers, Allen Pelicans, Van Houten Celtics, Chris Hodge Wizards, McCubbin Bulls, Sean Mavericks, Steve Hockey Nuggets, Wayman Heat, Steve Elliott Rockets, Leah Jazz, Ben Kelwood Pacers, Dale Knicks, Coulson Cavs, Glenn Bow Thunder, Tai Wolves, Dazzler Blazers, Stuart Sales Suns, Chris Hodge Hawks, Van Houten Lakers, Paul Johnson Grizz, Dale Warriors, Sean Magic, Ferreira Spurs, Sean Pistons, Harrison Kings, Coulson Raptors, Wayman Hornets, Harrison Bucks, Steve Hockey Nets, and Allen with the Sixers. And that's what's it called? That's the teams.